In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add keywords into your Google Ads campaign. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's get right into it. So first of all, we need to go ahead into our Google Ads library. And once we're in here, it might look slightly different for you. Sometimes they change the layouts with updates, but it's going to be a similar process overall. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go down to where it says campaigns here, and you need to go to campaigns. Now at the top, you want to make sure you've got all campaigns selected so that you can select the campaign you want. And from here, you want to go into here and just find the campaign that you want to go ahead and change the keywords for. So I have one here which is a search campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click into that. Now once you click into the campaign, what you should see is the ad group. And the ad group is where the keywords are. So make sure you select the correct ad group, and it should take you down here to the search keywords. So at this point, we can now go ahead and add some keywords to this. To do that, we have to go ahead and press on this plus icon here that says keywords, and we can go ahead and add them here. So you can add them in a few different ways. You can just type them in. So if I typed in gift basket, for example, that's going to be a broad search. And you've also got other things like you've got close match and exact match, things like that. And they basically change how Google is going to target those keywords. So you might want to look a bit more into that before you do it. But if you're not too worried and you just want to do it broad, you can go ahead and select some in here. And you can also go ahead and put your URL in. And what it's going to do from there, it's going to scrape your website and it's going to find keywords that you might have missed out on that they think are a good idea. So you can go ahead and add them, press save, and that's going to go ahead and add them to the ad group, and it should start working. You can also go ahead and add negative search keywords if you want to. These are keywords that if someone searches, you will not show up for. So if you often have a keyword where people will go onto your site but it's not relevant, then you might want to put it in there, just so you don't waste money on irrelevant keywords. But go ahead, press save. And there you go, you've changed your keywords. And yeah, you can go ahead and do this many times as you want. You can also go ahead and delete the keywords as well. You can pause them, remove them, all that kind of thing. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below that you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.